Hi, this is just a quick little video to show you how you can add due dates to discussion board and assignments so that the calendar on the home page will populate with all of the due dates, which is a really helpful feature on the home page. So I go into content and I find it easier just to do all of the items listed for one unit at a time. So I'm going to go to the first item, which is a discussion board, and I'm going to go to edit properties in place and where it says add dates and restrictions, due date. So my due date for this particular assignment was back on the 2nd, and I have all of my items due at 11:30, and then I just click update. And now you will see that clock appears. And if I scroll down to my next couple assignments, you can see that I have due dates on all of my assignments, and once that date passes, it'll change. So this will be due on the 14th, and you can see my outline was due yesterday. So then, now that I've added a due date to that discussion board, when I go back to my course homepage, you can see that it was populated onto the calendar. And then students can actually click on these elements and it'll take them to the assignment page, and it will take them to the actual submission link as well. So just a little helpful trick for adding due dates to your assignments and discussion boards. Thank you.